Hello, and welcome to the HotelHub. HotelHub is the hotel management system used for making and reservations for the rooms. The functionality it supports are adding rooms with the details such as room number, room type, price per night, etc. Room's detail page has detailed information of room with upcoming reservations and a link to all the reservations of that room. Guest has to be added with their details such as name, address, phone number, email, and government ID details. Guest detail page has all the details with a button to make reservation for the guest. Creating reservation is very easy with assigning the room number with check-in and check-out date. The reservation can be modified by extending the check-out date if needed. Reservation will start at 12 p.m. of check-in date to 12 p.m. of the check-out date. The room list indicated the room available or booked on the basis of reservation. So, give a try to this awesome management system created for web with support of hosting on personal website and responsive design. The link is below. Follow and subscribe for more. You can hire me for your personal projects.